Hi everybody, today I will be talking about all the zodiac signs' luck this week. Let's go straight into the video. Aries, this week is all about new beginnings. Embrace the energy and take that first step towards your goals. Taurus, patience is your superpower this week. Trust the process and watch things fall into place. Gemini, communication is key. Speak your truth and clear the air. Your relationships will thank you. Cancer, it's time to focus on self-care. Nurture yourself and recharge those emotional batteries. Leo, your creativity is on fire. Dive into those passion projects and let your inner artist shine. Virgo, details, details, details. Pay close attention to the fine print and you'll avoid any missteps. Libra, balance is your best friend. Seek harmony in all things and you'll feel more at peace. Scorpio, your intuition is spot on. Trust those gut feelings and you'll navigate any challenges with ease. Sagittarius, adventure awaits. Be open to new experiences and let your wanderlust lead the way. Capricorn, hard work pays off. Stay disciplined and you'll see the results you've been striving for. Aquarius, think outside the box. Innovation and creativity will help you solve any problem. Pisces, your empathy is your strength. Use it to connect deeply with others and build strong relationships. That's your cosmic scoop for the week. Stay tuned and stay stellar.